Very good morning. Today we're gonna start to know about the event management. So basically, the first thing what like whenever you listen a term event, so the first thing that comes in your mind is party. 10 people, 12 people. So if there is any gathering, like we can explain events as if there is a gathering of more people at a one destination or at a one place, we can call it events. That can be a group event, that can be wedding function, that can be your any kind of puja, that can be anything, because there the number of people is from more. So we can start. So I'm just giving you a basic idea what actually event is. And in starting I will tell you, like, just take your paper and pen. If you have any concern, any doubts, you can ask me, you can DM me. All right, so let's start. So first understand what is event, what is its introduction. So event management is involves studying the entries cases of brand, identifying the target audience, devising the event concept, planning and logistic, and coordinating the technical aspect before actually executing and modalities of the proposed event. Post event analysis and ensuring to return on investment having become significant drivers for the event industry. So here we gonna learn about the strategies, about the planning, about the concept, how and with whom we need to coordinate for the particular event, right? And after that we have to also check that wherever, like, we are taking a event, so either we are in profit or we are in loss, and how much return on investment. Suppose I am gonna invest 10,000 or 10,000 rupees in a particular function, so what is the return on that? Because I am a event planner. So event planner is basically a link between a guest and service. Event planner is whole and soul coordination link and whole and soul for a particular function. Got my point? So again, what Professor Donald Gates saying, a well-known writer in the field of event management defines a special event from two perspectives, that's of the customer and that's of the event manager, as follows. A special event is one time of infrequently occurring event outside normal programs. So here they just want to tell you, like, the entire event system is divided into two parts. Sorry, my mistake. Entire event system is divided into three parts: formal, semi formal, and informal. And that is totally depend upon the customer need. Cust- why customer need? Social need or cultural experience, that's a normal range. Choices beyond so it's totally depend, the criteria is totally depend upon the host. Host is a person who organize any event. Got my point? So there is a chain, like the chain starts from host. There is, suppose you are a person who organize a wedding party, so you, who is the host? You are the host. I am a person who provide all the services. Here services, it means I am the responsible for your fooding, lodging, providing you hotel, decoration, everything. You don't need to worry about that. What being a host, what you have to do, you have to explain your thoughts, what exactly you want, how you want, and what you want. And what I have to do, I have to check for your requirements, and then I have to perform on that. Got my point? And there are so many other links. So first, understand what is formal event. So formal event, suppose if there is any business meet, any kind of business meet, any kind of professional, any kind of strategic meet, these are the formal events. Why we call it formal events? Because there are certain criterias. I will just explain you. I just give brief about you, and after that we gonna in detail. So formal events, there are basically few criterias. In that criterias, there is a host. Again, because he is hosting the particular event, and there are a dress code. There is a timing, like everything, like everyone is either sitting, either is standing, that most probably in sitting, because and they require a proper setup where they are facing each other, because there is a strategic meet, there is a conferences, there everyone's points, everyone's thoughts is mandatory, like whatever you think about that particular company or what. So most probably these kind of events are taken by most of the companies for their employees and growth, most of the network marketing companies, most of the government offices, they have conferences and there. Now we move to informal event. So what is informal event? Informal event is a event, there is most probably like there is no time barrier, but of course, like you does your meeting, you also enjoy your some games, like there is a formal and the mix up of formal and informal both, you can call it informal. So what exactly happened there? Most of the companies, like they organize a learning and travel tour, development tour. So what is that basically? So there they take their employees, they take their business partners, they go on a vacation where they or their family enjoyed the hotel facilities, enjoyed the place, and they are doing both, they are spending time with their families, and also they are going to enjoy the party as well. Then last, informal. So what in informal, like most of the events that are happening, like there is no dress code, there is no any kind of timing, there is only enjoyment, full music, dance, fun. The best example is wedding. In wedding, is there any timing? No, like there are few persons, yeah, of course they have there is some timing for them, especially the bride and groom, and rest everyone is enjoying, like you don't need to go attend any meeting, you don't need to go attend anything, you just what you can do, you just need to enjoy the particular time. Okay, so let's come on the slide. So here if you have any problem, so like as I told you, to the customer or guest, a special event is an opportunity of for leisure, social, cultural experience outside the normal range of choices or beyond everyday experience. सो इट्स सिंपल स्टेट दैट जो कस्टमर हमारा होता है वो स्पेशल इवेंट अपनी अपॉर्चुनिटी, अपनी लेजर, अपने सोशल और कल्चरल एक्सपीरियंस के अलावा भी जिस तरीके से चाहे वो कर सकता है. नाउ वी आर मूविंग ऑन what Dr. J. Goldblatt said, defines special event as a unique moment in time celebrated with ceremony and rituals, specific need. Mr. Dr. J. Goldblatt, 1997, defines special event as a unique moment in time celebrated with ceremony and rituals to satisfy specific need. Again, it says the same thing but in different way. कि जो भी इवेंट होते हैं ये हमारे लाइफ के यूनिक मोमेंट्स को सेलिब्रेट और उनकी सेरेमनी में, यार कोई भी कई बार हम अपने रिचुअल्स फॉलो करने के लिए करते हैं, जैसे वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग बर्थडेज, वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग anniversaries, we are celebrating our conferences, we are celebrating our fun events, we are celebrating our friends gathering, meet together. So there are the receptions, there are different things, there are different moments that happens in everyone's life. So we are going to celebrate that, and that's is an event. So again, the event depend upon the kind of event is also depend upon the size of event. So there are mega events like we have Delhi Commonwealth Games, like we have photo, like we have Olympia, we have Olympics. So these are the bigger events. Again, we have a religious event. So event can be any type. It can be sports, it can be religious, it can be major event like any kind of fair. Like in everyone's locality there is some kind of fair. कोई ना कोई तरीके का एक मेला या किसी एक पर्टिकुलर ड्यूरेशन में होता है. कई जगह दिवाली पे आता है, कई जगह दशहरे पे आता है, कई जगह होली पे आता है. सो दे gonna celebrate, they gonna memorize. Like every year we celebrate Dashera. Why? Because we want to showcase that what Lord Rama done. Got my point? What Lord Rama done? अच्छाई पे बुराई की जीत जो दिखाया जाता है, दैट्स इज योर दशहरा, राइट? सो एवरी ईयर we kill Ravana with the hand of God Ram. Then we have minor events. So minor event can be anything. Like it can be open clubbing, it can be dancing, it can be singing troupe, singing event. It can be anything that will happen on a small scale. What I told you, that types of event, it can be sports, it can be entertainment, art, culture. Like every day if you are reading newspaper daily on daily basis, so you get a column. Today there is a cultural event is happening at that particular place. Today is a dancing dancing event happening at that particular place. आज यहाँ पे कवि सम्मेलन है, आज यहाँ पे ये है. So these are the small events that happens on every day. Like you can go, there will be a journalist meet, there will be a police meet, there will be a CM meet, there will be a, like it depends. Like there are different cultural meets, different official meets. So these are the example of events. Again, commercial, marketing and promotional events. You have heard there are so many people who just to put their barriers on banners and barriers on the road, and they are promoting their products. Suppose there is a new launching of a car, they book a hotel and they launch their first car, and all the media coverage will be there. So they are promoting, they are marketing, they are using that particular event for their commercials. They provide, like the Diwali is coming, so there are most of the new products will be launched on Diwali, and they will offer you discount. They pass discount on that to increase their sale, increase their revenue. So these are the marketing stunts. Again, but that is an event, commercial event, you can say marketing event or promotional event. We have meeting and exhibitions. Everyone knows what is meeting. Gathering of a people where one person is a speaker who will speak about, and all the people will be listening to them. Suppose the best example is here. I am I'm the host, I am explaining everything, and you are the audience who are listening the things, and if you have a doubt you can ask me. So this is a meeting. Got my point? So it can be happen, like it can be business meeting, it can be fun meeting, it can be family meeting, it can be relatives meeting. It depends. Again, exhibitions most of, like there are different exhibitions happening. Sometime art, cultural, heritage exhibition, your handmade architect exhibition. So that is again same, where people used to come with their own products, they will display it, and if someone wants to know about them and if someone wants to buy them, they can buy. Festivals. India is a country of festivals, so there is I don't think so I need to explain the festivals, because in each and every religion, every time people used to celebrate the festival. Like suppose we have Diwali right now, we have Eid over here. So what we do, we go on each other house to visit them. So that's also a kind of event. Family events, wedding, engagement, birthday, marriages, so these are family events. Fundraising events. So what is a fundraising events? If someone asks you what is a fundraising events, so there are a few social events that is held by NGOs, that is held by some people who collect the money. Like they will organize the event where there will be either cultural meet, either anything, either they will share their thoughts, and they try to generate some revenue, and that revenue will be given to any of the NGO, any of the social worker, any of the social help. That is not for that is for, that is used, the amount, the fund that they receive, that is invested on the people who are in need. So that's why it's a fundraising events. Now we gonna talk about one of the most, okay, now we're gonna talk about one of the most important person, his job roles. Yeah, I know you all are looking at the at the slide. Okay, so today we're gonna talk about event manager. So what do you think, what event manager done? An event manager is a person who is the key responsible person from the starting of, like before the starting of the event till the end of the event. He is the key person who will contact, interact with the host. He will explain each and everything to him, and after that he plan, he execute, he coordinate with other departments, other peoples, and perform the entire task. So his job role, so we gonna discuss about his job role, his work profile, and what are the key features for him. So first we gonna talk about quality of an event manager. So I hope you understand who is event manager. Event manager is a person who is responsible for event, right, for the smooth operation of a event, for the event. Host is a person who is the organizer of event. There is a difference. Organizer, I want to organize a party, I am a host, I am an organizer. And the person who gonna do all, that's a manager. Got my point? Okay. So the key features, key qualities of a event manager is analytical, critical thinking, and problem solving. Of course, if you are not critical thinking and analytical, you are not able to perform an event. And why? Because every time you need to, like, there are lots of coordination is required. You need to coordinate with everyone, your receptionist, conveyance, transportation, decoration, food, accommodation, everything. Client and customer service orientation, of course, because if you are not getting a, if you are not able to convince your client customer, so you are not getting revenue, and if you are not getting revenue, so you are in loss. It means you are not able to make money. And why you are studying, why you are doing hotel management, why you are doing engineering? Just because to collect money. Of course, money is important for everyone. So we, the event manager should be customer service oriented. Negotiation skills, it's mandatory, because if you are not able to negotiate, so you are not able to sell anything. Ability to work under pressure and meet deadlines. Teamwork, facilitation, cooperation, planning, coordination, organization skills, good networking skills. So these are the key features for event manager. Now the slide is over, and if you have any queries, any problem, you can DM me. on WhatsApp, and if you want, you can call me on the same number. Thank you.